Hello again, friends. Spinny Minnie, spin away. Who are we crafting here today? Who will it be? It looks like it's the reindeer. Let's start by tracing our reindeer onto the foam paper. One eye. Two eyes. Hi, Sid. Look, we're painting the reindeer brown, like you. I hear a knock at the door. Wow, look at these two wonderful doors. They are so beautiful and Christmassy. The door on the right, we have a bright, merry red door. The door on the left looks like it's made of yummy gingerbread. They both look so nice. I don't know which one to choose. Let's try the door on the right first. It's a snowy, magical place. We're at the North Pole. The sky is so beautiful. Doesn't it look cold and frosty here? Now, let's see what's behind the door on the left. Wow, look at this. It's the inside of the gingerbread house. It's so warm and cozy. Do you see the crackling fireplace? It's glowing with a beautiful orange light. Now, back to our reindeer. Let's paint his nose. First we'll paint it white, and then add some red on top. Gold. We'll use the gold to highlight some spots. It gives a good effect. He's ready to be cut out. He looks playful and brave, like he's ready for an adventure. He's ready to join his friends. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. Which reindeer is your favorite? Sid, what are you doing here? I think Sid wants to join the reindeer on the big trip they're heading on. Our reindeer just needs one final touch. Some sparkle for his shiny red nose. Sparkle, sparkle. Up, 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 and away! It's Sid's mystery bag. Let's see if there's something nice for our reindeer friend inside. I wonder what it'll be. What do we have here? Cheese? Reindeer don't eat cheese. How about this pair of ice skates? They could be fun. But there's only 2 of them. Our reindeer would need 4. He has 4 hooves. Let's try again. There's got to be something special in here that he can enjoy. A carrot! That's perfect! Reindeer like to eat carrots as a treat. Here you go, reindeer. Reindeer. There's the reindeer on the wheel. I wonder who'll be next. Let's follow Sid and see.